Hello everyone, Christian here. Today we are looking at it says State Select water heater. I think in the serial number, I think it's like 2012 or something like that. I think it's those first two digits because it ain't 1930 and it ain't 2030. But electric 40-gallon water heater. Customer says it's not, no hot water as always with these calls. It's either no hot water or leak. Touch the TMP valve, not even a little warm. So I'm gonna probably check for power up here first, see if I got power, and then if I do, shut the breaker off, and then I'll look at the elements and the thermostats. All right, so I got the first panel off and the second one, and top two screws up there should be my power coming in. Let's see what I got. I got nothing. So we're gonna look at breakers maybe. Let's see if there's something going on with the breaker. Wouldn't that be funny? Someone shut off the breaker. No, the breakers are off. Which one's for water heater? Garage. What's this? Oven outside. What? What about these two? Air handlers, stove. Now these are marked for it. Does she have another panel somewhere? In here, what's this door? Okay, well, just open up this box. I looked around for another panel. Only other panel I found is locked, so if it does have the breaker for this thing, this wire needs to be redone. Looks like because this wire here and this one here are the two wires that come into this whip that go into the water heater. So that definitely needs to be repaired. So we'll see if that's something I can do today. If I can find out what breaker this thing is on. Okay, so I'm blind. It's usually one of these like big old double breakers, but the one that's labeled for water heater here, right there, water heater between 3 and 5. So it should be this here. So actually let's just shut it off and I'll use the little voltage tester. See if it, it's still going red. So I don't think that's the right, ooh, no, golly, that ain't the right breaker. Let's try, this says oven outside oven. What the heck? Why they got a breaker for an outside? Why they got an oven out here even? What the heck? Let's try stove maybe. Nope, still red. We'll do outside oven. We'll try it. Oh, is this off? It's off. Turn back on. Nope, red. Try that double pole. Double pole. Nope, still red. They got a breaker somewhere and I can't get to it, I don't think. I think that's my last double pole. Okay. Pipe down. Okay, I'm gonna see if the customer's okay with, if she can either unlock the other panel or if she's okay with me cutting the lock off. Okay, so just waiting on customer to find a key. I asked her if the lock's, if I'm okay to cut the lock, but she said no, it's an important lock to her, so I'm just waiting because I'm not going to try and touch that or any more of that with like my fingers or anything like that if I can't get the power disconnected. Okay, she gave me permission to cut the lock off, open the panel up. Sad sight, but all that's in here is a main breaker and one for the air conditioner. We're gonna make sure. Yeah, that's just for her outdoor unit. Our other panel here, I'll see if she's okay with me just flipping all of the breakers and see if something shuts off. Or maybe just the main breaker if, let me grab my tool. If I can't find it in the panel she's got in her garage, we'll see. Okay, she said I was okay to just shut off the power for the whole house. Got some wire connectors here. On the power. Should be all good. So I'm gonna try and strip these wires up. Let's see. I should be able to just strip these wires and then redo them.
Yeah, no, my son-in-law.
I've got this wire repaired here.
Oh.
Cut the wire back, stripped it. Used a little Wago wire connector. Nothing in here. Seems like it's fried or anything, so that's good.
Yeah, that was just putting
Nothing loose.
Well, it's not new anymore, it's from 12, so.
Yeah. So I'm gonna turn the power on.
Yeah.
Okay. And we'll see what happens. Just don't go near this just in case something does happen. It should be fine, but just in case. Power's restored. Let's see what's going on now. Let's quiet you down. Okay, let's see if we have power now. It sounds like we do. Yep.
I never have to have any of it prepared, so I don't know. I am just grandma. I don't know anything.
Yeah.
I don't know anything on it.
Yeah. I'll try and look around really quick and I'll see if I see another panel.
Yeah.
Because there's got to be a breaker for this thing. I doubtful, but you know I don't know what people do.
Okay.
But this is wired back up. I've got power. I can hear the element running. I'm gonna put this cover back on.
Take a peek at it?
Huh?
You want to take a peek?
Okay. So it's working. Let's see. 19 amps on the upper element. We'll let that run for a little bit. I'll try and turn the temperature down. We'll try and get a reading off of the lower element. But this is the breaker. It's labeled. Found it. Just poorly labeled panel.
So you guys are AC too?
Correct, yes.
Okay. No, I know. Can you leave me a card?
Yeah, no, I'm gonna put a sticker on here.
Okay.
I can give you a card too if you want.
Yeah.